This video will show you how to find the PowerPoint slides that we use during our live class sessions for world history. So this could be useful to you if maybe you're reviewing the lesson from that day, or maybe if you missed a class, you might want to go back and take a look at the PowerPoint slides. Maybe you're finishing some notes or taking a quiz and you're looking for some specific information. You might want to revisit our PowerPoint slides. Those are posted for you in your world history course. You can find them by looking under your class content. And in the class content, you'll go to the course materials. So under course materials, you can click this blue launch button. Now that I'm in course materials, I'm going to find the link to world history slides from class. And when I click on this link, it's going to open up a new tab or a new window on my computer. And in this new window that comes up under your world history slides from class, you'll see folders for each of the units. And so we'll be starting with Unit 1. And I can double click on that folder. And you can see in here will be posted all of the PowerPoint presentations that we take a look at together during our world history class live sessions. So maybe I'm looking to finish my notes or review something from lesson 1.03. Now that I'm in our world history folder for the slides for class in Unit 1, I can see this PowerPoint right here from that lesson. It's Unit 1, Lesson 3, called Finding Our Past. Again, I can double click if that's the one I'd like to open. And you'll see what comes up are the exact same PowerPoint slides that we used in class that day to learn about Lesson 1.03. And you can scroll down, look through the different pages on the slides. If you'd like to, you can print them out. You can even download them to open or save on your computer by pressing this download button. And you can open it and press OK, or you could save it and press OK to get that to come up on your computer too. You can see there will be various PowerPoints in here. So the next day we'll go over lesson 1.04. Again, if I'm looking for that PowerPoint, I can double click on Unit 1, Lesson 4, and there will be our PowerPoint slides for today, for that day with the information that we went over together. And again, if you have any information, or if you have any questions about finding information from class or these PowerPoint slides, just let me know.